In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your accountant to QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks makes it incredibly convenient to collaborate with your accountant by granting them access to your financial data directly from the platform. This not only streamlines your bookkeeping process, but also ensures that your financial records are up to date, accurate, and easily accessible for professional guidance. So, whether you're preparing for tax season or just want your accountant to have a clearer picture of your business finances, this step-by-step guide will help you set everything up without a hitch. To begin, head over to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a panel with multiple options. Click on the option labeled My Accountant. This section is specifically designed to help you manage and collaborate with your accounting professional. Now, a quick note here. I'm currently using a test drive account, which doesn't provide full access to every feature. However, when you're in your own account, you'll notice a text box that appears within the My Accountant section. This is where you'll be inputting some essential information about your accountant. Go ahead and enter your accountant's email address into this text box. Double-check to make sure you've entered it correctly. Accuracy is key here, as an error might result in the invitation not reaching its intended destination. Once you're confident everything is accurate, click the Invite button. This action sends a notification directly to your accountant's email. Now, speaking from personal experience and lots of feedback from users, this next part is quite straightforward. Your accountant will then receive an email invite to your QuickBooks Online account. All they need to do is open that email, which will contain clear instructions on how to proceed. They'll confirm the invitation by following the link provided. This confirmation is crucial as it grants them access to your company's files. And that's really all there is to it. At this point, your task is complete. Once your accountant accepts the invitation, they will have secure access to your financial records on QuickBooks. This collaboration feature is incredibly powerful, allowing them to help you make informed financial decisions, suggest budget adjustments, and ensure that all your books are in order. Remember, this access is designed to be secure, providing your accountant with the necessary information while maintaining the confidentiality of your data. By following these simple steps, you're empowering your accountant to work more efficiently, and ultimately, you're setting your business up for success. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your accounting workflow in QuickBooks Online a breeze. Thanks for watching.